Hello, I am Navneet and I have a dual nature. Sometimes I will preach of morality and I will myself do immoral things. Sometimes I want to never commit and sleep with as many girls as possible. Sometimes I preach of being in peace with a single girl for my lifetime. I portray to others as an honest man, but I myself do my share of dishonesty. I preach of being ethical, but I myself justify my unethical behaviors. I preach of ethics while justifying the unethical things I do myself. Still, all these contradictions in my character is mine, and I am these contradictions. I am Navneet.